Welcome back to the lab, everyone. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys something I haven't done in quite a while, the state of the stack. I'm going to be going around, I'm going to let you guys know what's going on behind me, what's going on over there in the stack, what everybody's kind of working at their own stations, and, you know, what's been going on. I know I have some VDI videos I got to release. I actually have some updates I want to do with FreeNAS. There's a lot of different things I've been working on, and honestly, I've been having more fun playing in the lab. I haven't really had the time to video and document everything like I want to. And to be honest, some of it I'm learning for the first time, trying to make sure I fully understand it. And then I'm going back and creating a video on it and trying to edit and make sure that I do properly understand it. So as always, guys, I'm not the smartest in all this. I'm doing this stuff to try to figure out, you know, what I don't know. And maybe if I can help some of you guys learn along the way and you guys can help, you know, teach me. That's what this is about. So down below, you know, if there's any videos you guys have seen in the past, things maybe I need to redo, go ahead down below, comment down below videos that I need to maybe look back at, things that I need to better explain, or maybe there's a video you guys want me to go over and explain. Feel free to drop it down below and let me know. But without further ado, I kind of want to show you guys what's been going on in the lab and tell you guys what's been going on. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pick up the camera. Sorry if it's a little shaky, guys, but kind of doing this freehand. So what I wanted to go over actually is what's going on in the lab. So behind me, you'll kind of notice workbench. Not much has been really going on. Had a UPS fail, which actually kind of sucks, but it is what it is. So I ended up replacing that. I've got another, you know, new 1500 back there to replace it. It's been working well. But yeah, nothing been going on over here. The roommates haven't really honestly been up to too much. Everybody's been busy working. We've all got, you know, busy lives. My wife started a new job that she's been loving a lot. She's getting to learn a lot of new things, so she's been really busy. Sean's been working a lot. Right now he's actually on call for work, so he's been busy with that. Brody over here, he's been super busy. He's our intern at work, so he's got a lot of different things he does, and he's all around the company doing different things. It's kind of crazy. But going back to, you know, the main thing I want to talk about, guys, today is here at the lab right here. It's kind of crazy. If you notice, I've got almost everything lit up. There's only 3 things that aren't. Right now I've got my CMC, basically my backup, and my main control center. It's a physical Windows box. It's down for right now. I got to redo some things. It's not working like I want. Same with its repository. And then after that, if you look further down here, we've got, you know, here's FreeNAS right now. I've got another JBOD unit, which I'm actually pretty excited about this. Hold on. Going to go on a rant for a second. I've got another JBOD unit that I'm probably going to order. I found one on eBay that I really like. I think I'm going to put a bid on it. It's got no cradles, but that's all right. I've got plenty. I think I can make something work. But my main point of wanting to get the JBOD actually is because once I get it, I have let me see if I can find them. Hold on 1 second. 1 second. Aha! This is what I was wanting to show. So I've got these nifty little guys. These are mSATA SSDs. Pretty cool. So I've got some of them that are 128, got some that are 64, but my plan is with this JBOD unit, I've got some really cool enclosures, 3.5-inch closures allow you to put 2.5-inch drives in them and allow you to just put it in RAID 1, RAID 10, or JBOD. I'll see if I can provide links down below of some of the stuff I'm talking about and so you guys can check it out. The other thing I found was a 2.5-inch enclosure that allows me to put an mSATA drive, such as the one I just showed you guys, into a little 2.5-inch enclosure, sorry, but can't talk today. And that actually allows me to then put it inside of a normal hard drive bay. It allows it to get SATA and SATA power. So once that's done, I can pop 2 of those little mSATA drives I have into each one of the little 2.5-inch adapters, which I'll link down below, like I said. And those 2.5-inch adapters will then slide in a 3.5-inch adapter, giving me 2 SSDs on a single 3.5-inch. I'm going to put them in JBOD, and my plan is I'm going to put 4 of these little SSDs to work. 3 of them I'm going to use for read cache for FreeNAS. 1 of them I'm going to use for write cache. We're going to see how that works. I'm just going to put them all in JBOD, no RAID, let FreeNAS handle it. I'm going to look up some things because I haven't really honestly done much with read and write cache. So if you have, drop a comment down below, link me some things because I'm going to be entering a whole new field here. I'll probably be doing that and then also adding in 10 2-terabyte drives on top of that. So hopefully we'll be adding in about another 20 terabytes plus the SSDs into FreeNAS, giving me over 50 terabytes of raw storage, which would be amazing, plus SSDs. But let me go back over here to the lab. So that's what's going on with FreeNAS, guys. That's what I've been working on. Once I get that JBOD unit, like I said, I'll get the other accessories and other parts. We'll get that set up. Down here, we've got VMH01, VMH02. They've been running great. VMH03, if you notice down here, is off. His quad NIC failed. And the two that I have don't want to work with ESXi, the backups that I have. So I am actually ordered a new one, waiting for it. It's supposed to arrive today or tomorrow. And once that gets in, go ahead and replace and get VMH03 back up. Right now, everything's just running in my main stack of these two. And then down here at the bottom is something that I'm actually kind of excited about. It'll actually be something I hopefully can do for everybody too. So these two bottom ones are my main powerhouses. These are my IBMs. And what I did is I installed ESXi on them, and I actually then installed XenServer as a VM in it. So I'm actually doing nested virtualization. And what I've done, and I'll link this down below, there's a program called Solus VM. And what I'm going to be trying to do is set up virtual environments and basically VPSs, do a VPS service that allow people like you, labbers like you, to rent space or get space based off of different statuses and such, which I'll go over all that at a later date. But the whole point being is that I want to try to provide a place for labbers to learn and be able to have a place for them to do things. So my plan is with these IBMs and me learning Xen and hopefully doing some Xen tutorials, that I can also have you guys hop in and you guys can get, some small 1 gig, 1 CPU or 2 gig, 2 CPU machines for you guys to be able to, mess around, learn some things on Linux, lab around. I know some of you guys don't have hardware, especially students. You guys live in the dorm life. I'd love to be able to help that out. I've been there before. I know what that's like. So that's what my whole plan is it is going to take me some time, guys. Like I said, I work about 120 hours to 130 every 2 weeks. So I do have that. Plus I have a family, so I've got to worry about my daughter and my wife. I make sure that they're good too. And then I make sure the lab's good. So there's a lot that comes before the lab, but I do plan on doing all that. So just gonna take time, just like these VDI videos I've been working on. I've got a lot of videos in the works. It takes time to edit, it takes time to record and get it all done, but I do have a lot in the works. But I'm now done with my rant. Just kind of wanted to give you guys a state of the stack update. There's the stack one last time. I'll come around the back. Yeah, she's dirty back here. Got a lot of upvotes when I showed the back end. But yeah, I'm probably gonna have to unrack her here sometime soon. Maybe when I get that other JBOD unit and get everything cleared up. All right, guys. Well, as always, thanks for coming, and I'll see you in the lab.